Let's get you the latest as far as the Puri Yatra is concerned, and it's Lord Jagannath's majestic Rath Yatra and that mega chariot festival that begins in the pilgrim town of Puri that's hosting the world famous Rath Yatra today, with elaborate security and logistical arrangements that are in place in order to manage the massive influx of devotees, and that is the kind of rush that we are expecting in the temple town today. Nearly 2 million devotees are expected to witness the centuries-old festival, which sees the deities ride their ornate wooden chariots to the temple. The NSG commanders, as well as AI-enabled camera surveillance, is what is the kind of arrangements that we have in place. Manogya joining us. Manogya, you've been getting us updates as far as the preparations are concerned, speaking to authorities on the ground as well. Take us through the arrangements that we're going to be seeing today, and take us through the number of people that are expected.
Well, it would be more than 5 lakh for sure, and even if the forecast is of rain, do not be deterred. I'm telling you, not a single person who arrives here is deterred even by the sun or the heat or the rain. And everyone who's arriving here at the Jagannath temple, the beauty of it is, now there are a lot of Odia dancers here. We're joined by a few Odia dancers who are here to dance and of course praise. भगवान जी के सामने जब आप डांस करते हो तो कैसा लगता है?
बहुत अच्छा लगता है।
क्यों करते हैं ये डांस?
क्योंकि ये भगवान को समर्पित है। जो हमारा पूरी का ओडिसी डांस है, ओडिशा का कल्चर है, वो भगवान को समर्पित है।
तो जब आप यहाँ नृत्य कर रहे हैं, बारिश में कोई फर्क पड़ता है? नहीं,
भगवान जी की कृपा से कुछ नहीं पड़ता।
भगवान जी की कृपा से, and that is the excitement that you see in most of them. There are a lot of men and women here all decked up. ये आज के लिए खूबसूरत पूरी ये परिधान है, उसमें तैयार नृत्य के लिए।
जी,
क्या है विशेष आज?
आज तो रथ यात्रा है।
हाँ।
तो हम लोग उड़िया में जिसको मणिमा बोलते हैं।
हाँ। और मुझे कोई स्तुति भी सुनाइए भगवान जगन्नाथ की।
वक्रतुंड महाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्व कार्येषु सर्वदा। जय गणपति बाबा से शुरुआत होता है, क्योंकि भगवान जी जो है स्नान पूर्णिमा हुआ, भगवान जो गणपति बेस हुए, आप लोग जानते होंगे जो गणपति बेस जो हुए, जो कितना सुंदर था। भगवान गणपति भगवान से शुरुआत होता है। ये जो भगवान है, जब
आज जगन्नाथ की बात करते हैं तो जगन्नाथ की स्तुति भी सुनाइए ना। जगन्नाथ
वही तो जय जगन्नाथ स्वामी, जय जगन्नाथ स्वामी, जय जगन्नाथ स्वामी। संताकारं भुजग शयनं पद्मनाभं सुरेशं विश्वधारं गगन सदृशं मेघवर्णं सुभागं लक्ष्मीकान्तं कमलनयनं योगिविद्वरगम्यं भवयहरं सर्वलोकैकनाथं। हे जगन्नाथ कोटि ओडियार मौड़मणि, हे सर्वनियंता, हे जगत का नाथ, तुमको मैं क्या बोलूं प्रभु। तुम तो सब कुछ है, मेरा पति है, तुम सिर्फ मेरा है, जगत का नहीं, तुम सिर्फ मेरा है। आज तुम ही मेरा है, मैं तुम्हारा हूँ और कुछ नहीं। जिंदगी का सब कुछ ही तुम्हारा पाँव में ही अर्पण कर दिए। हे भगवान, हे कालिया शांत, मैं उड़िया पे बोल रहा हूँ। तो
कालिया कहते हैं क्योंकि उनका श्यामल रंग है, इसलिए उन्हें कालिया कहते हैं, लेकिन कालिया बहुत प्यार से कहते हैं।
वो तो मेरा बच्चा है, वो तो मेरा स्वामी है। मैं जो भी कुछ उनको बोल सकता हूँ, गाली भी दे सकता हूँ, मार भी सकता हूँ, उनको गाना भी गाकर लोरी भी गाकर उनको सुला भी सकता हूँ। वो तो जगत का भगवान है, वो मेरा ही भगवान है।
आप नृत्य कर रहे थे यहाँ पर, मुझे जरा आप लोग नृत्य करके दिखाएं थोड़ा सा कि उड़िया नृत्य क्या होता है। ये देखिए, इट इज वेरी ब्यूटीफुल। दैट्स द ओडिसी डांस दैट दे डूइंग। दे स्टार्टेड इट ऑलरेडी। द ब्यूटी ऑफ इट इज दैट इट इज डन इन फ्रंट ऑफ द टेम्पल, इन फ्रंट ऑफ लॉर्ड, बिकॉज इट इज कंसिडर्ड दैट it pleases him. This dance form is something that is very, very dear to Lord Jagannath, and this is also calling Lord Jagannath in his own way and explaining via the flute that he carries, because that's also we know that he is considered to be reincarnation of Lord Vishnu, and that's what makes it so special. The beauty of it and the dance forms that you see here speaks volume, but amidst tight security this time, because this is for the first time that the NSG or the National Security Guards have been deployed in various parts of this Rath Yatra. And as you see the colors, you also see the security cordon and the security preparations that are unprecedented after Operation Sindoor. I run you through the visuals of Dog Squad as well as special arrangements that have been made for security. Remember this, after Operation Sindoor, this is the first such massive religious congregation of lakhs of people here together, and it is expected to be a crowd of more than 8 to 10 lakhs. That's the reason why there's energy that has been involved here and deployed here. However, the festivities and fervor do not come to an end. They've just begun. It's a big day. कैसा लग रहा है आज रथ यात्रा के दिन? How does it feel?
It feels surreal. It feels. I feel grateful. I've been learning Odissi dance since I've been very little actually, and we have come today to perform on this auspicious day in front of.
You decked up as Radha, you're Lord Krishna. Would you mind showing some steps, and what is the camaraderie between both of you? How does it feel?
It feels so grateful to dance in front of Lord Jagannath. It is so grateful.
Sisters, by the way. We're sisters. So you practice at home also?
We do practice at home.
And how does it feel? So who's the naughtier one, the Krishna or Radha?
Of course, the Krishna is the naughty one.
So the Krishna, both are sisters. What are your names?
Shravani.
Shravani and
Basha.
Masha. So both of you have been fighting with each other, or you dance and smile like this only?
We do all sort of things. We fight, we reconcile, we do everything.
But how does it feel being here today? Is that an opportunity that very less people get in life?
We both had a dream from childhood that we will dance in front of Lord Jagannath, and it is so grateful. Yeah, I'm speechless for this.
Does it make you emotional?
It does make me emotional, and literally it feels like I could just get lost in here, and there's literally pain in my foot right now, but I can't feel it because it feels so surreal and feels so magical, because this is the first time we're performing on Rath Yatra in front of Jagannath Ji, and of course it's a dream of every Odissi dancer to come and perform in front of him. So
why do we perform Odissi dance in front of Lord Jagannath? He's fond of it?
Of course, he is fond of it, and actually we are called Devadasis, which means we are his servants, and we are the servants of the Lord. We perform for him, we just serve him, and Gita Govinda, which is...
You have to chant that for me.
I'll chant Sri Jagannath Ashtakam. Kadachit kalindi तट विपिन संगीत करवो मुदा वीरी नारी बदन कमला स्वाद मधुप रमा शंभुर ब्रह्मा मरपति गणेशाचित पदो जगन्नाथ स्वामी नयन पथगामी भवतु मे.
That's a very emotional line and a very sentence. I need to decode that for you. Jagannath Swami Nayana Pathagami Bhavatumi. That means my eyes are waiting eagerly for you to just catch a glimpse of you once you come out of your heavenly abode here in the Puri temple. And as you come out of the temple and visit us and show us your eyes, your beautiful eyes, that's what it is known for. Correct me if I'm wrong. How does it feel to be here and just look at him?
It feels so grateful for us that we are dancing in front of him, and
would you mind showing some steps now? We've been talking enough. So show me, both the sisters, remember, staying at home together but performing here together is so, so beautiful. And as we bring you these visuals from the Rath Yatra, we also let you know that there are multiple people who come here together and dance. And these are moments, these are lifetime moments for those who've been staying here, for people who dance, who do Odia dance, and then come together and just to be blessed and feel the passion as well as the feel of being here and dancing. See, it's so beautiful, it's so serene, and it's beyond words. If I could say that even I am at loss of words, and the feeling of just watching them dance gracefully in front of Lord Jagannath, how beautiful it is, with the 3 chariots there on the street. Now this is Bododondo. Bododondo is also means the biggest road, and that's what it is. The beauty of it is all about of being with Jagannath and in the style of Jagannath.
Right, Manogya, of course. You're taking us through the number of people. 5 lakh devotees are expected in the temple town. It's highly fortified with deployment of approximately 10,000 security personnel. This also includes the NSG, like you mentioned. We are talking about AI-enabled surveillance that is, taking care. The Marine Police, the Coast Guard, the Indian Navy, all there, in order to secure and fortify the place. Take us through, what does this Rath Yatra really embody?
Well, if I let you know about the security and the parameters here, I give you an idea on the kind of security apparatus that is being made here. Number one is that NSG has been deployed. Now, this entire area is usually cordoned off. There is still way that has been made if there is any emergency for any movement of ambulance or any other vehicles. There is a route that has been made midway. However, the crowd is just swelling up with every moment. Even though the forecast is of rainfall today, the entire process that has been followed here is making of multiple counters across this 3-kilometer stretch and ensuring that every nook and corner is guarded with cameras. There are more than 300 cameras and an ICCC, that is Integrated Command and Control Center, that has been formed to give you an idea on the kind of security that has been done. After Operation Sindoor, this is an unprecedented format of security that has been utilized this time with deployment of NSG and utilization of artificial intelligence in the entire security system of the Puri Jagannath Rath Yatra.